Here's what Barack Obama said during his State of the Union address as he spoke to a joint session of Congress.
But what I offer tonight is a set of concrete, practical proposals to speed up growth, strengthen the middle class, and build new ladders of opportunity into the middle class. Some require congressional action, and I am eager to work with all of you. But America does not stand still, and neither will I. So wherever and whenever I can take steps without legislation to expand opportunity for more American families, that's what I'm going to do.
Let me begin. This is how the Christian Science Monitor poses the question. As the president taps executive powers to bypass a gridlock Congress, is that dangerous overreach, or is it effective governing? How do you answer that?
Well, I expected one could say that it's both. That, to my mind, however, it is very much overreach. To be sure, the president has a certain discretion with respect to his authority to take care that the laws be faithfully executed. But he is pressing that discretion right to the limit. And we're talking here not so much about executive orders, because most of what he's done, especially lately, hasn't been through executive order, but it's been through rules and regulations through his agencies.
Article 2, Section 1 of the Constitution states the following: the executive power shall be vested in a President of the United States of America. And then there's the 10th Amendment: the powers not delegated by the United States in the Constitution nor prohibited by the states are reserved to the states respectively or to the people.
Well, and then there's another part of Article 2, which I think has come to be interpreted by the courts and the public generally as the main basis for the president for defining what the executive power is, and that, as Roger referred to, is the so-called take care clause, which says that the president shall take care to see that the laws are faithfully enforced. And what that has come to show is the president is supposed to take care, which means use reasonable judgment in determining how to execute the laws. He is to be faithful to all the laws, not just to a particular provision, and make sure that they all work together well, and that includes the Constitution. And this is a rather fulsome definition of what the president's authority is, and President Obama, everything that he's done so far that I can think of, and certainly the targets of criticism, are well within that job description.
To the text of the clause, it's always best to begin by parsing the actual words. So first, notice that this clause is not a grant of power, actually, but the imposition of a duty. The president shall take care. This is not optional. It is mandatory. Second, note that the duty is personal. The execution of the laws may be delegated to other officers, but the duty to take care that the laws be faithfully executed, that's personal. That is the president's duty alone. Third, notice that the president is not required to take care that the laws be completely executed. That would be impossible given finite resources. The president does have power to make enforcement choices. However, he must make them faithfully. Finally, it's important to remember the historical context of the clause. English kings had claimed the power to suspend laws unilaterally, but the framers expressly rejected that practice. Here, the executive would be obliged to take care that the laws be faithfully executed.